Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Half-centuries from Nkrumah Bonner and Paul Palmer Jr. rescued the Jamaica Scorpions from a potentially embarrassing position to reach stumps at 218 for 7 on day one of their regional four-day game against the Barbados Pride at Sabina Park. Here's Spencer Darlington.
Jamaican pacer Marquino Mindley led an early charge for the Barbados Pride as the Scorpions were reduced to 47 for 5 at lunch. Garth Garvey, who was called in after 3 consecutive centuries in the two-day Senior Cup, was the first to go for 1 before fellow opener Kennar Lewis followed shortly after for 6. The informed Brandon King was left standing after he was adjudged leg before wicket for naught. Jermaine Blackwood also failed to get among the runs with Asad Furadin, the 5th wicket to go, with the Jamaican franchise reeling. However, Palmer Jr. and Bonner, who was making his season debut, dropped anchor and pushed the Scorpions towards the 200-run mark with a 6th-wicket partnership of 169 runs. But with the score at 196, Palmer was dismissed for a hard-fought 66. The Scorpions managed to add 18 more runs before Bonner was dismissed for 97.
Yeah, very disappointed, about 890s and now, so, definitely my conversion rate is poor and I'm trying to work on that.
Scorpions would reach the close with no further loss at 218 for 7, leaving the visitors slightly disappointed.
Well, honestly, as you said, after I've been in 27 for 5, we did all the hard work in terms of getting early inroads, and then I guess the pitch flattened out a bit and started to play very well. I think credit must go to Nkrumah and Palmer. I think they really held the innings together for Jamaica. Took their time and they didn't take any risks, and I guess they had a very good partnership and they're still in the game at this moment.
And the Pride weren't helped by the fact that Jamel Warrican, who had 8 wickets in the second innings of the first match, did not take the field.
Well, yeah, I guess Jamel's always a big loss, knowing what he has done at this level, his track record, and not having him on the field today was a big loss, but at the end of the day, I think we've still done well.
But that aside, the Jamaicans will hope to build on their total on day 2.
Well, we know if we can get the next batting point, that would be good. The Jerome and Derval, I know they can bat, and also, the rest of come Fraser, and also can hold its bat. So, hopefully we can get the 2 batting points and put Barbados under some pressure.
The only 3 wins from 8 games, Jamaica is currently at the foot of the table on 82.4 points. Play set to resume at 10 a.m. on Friday. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.